Hello, this is a short tutorial about tanks and going into area terrain such as woods or ruins. Area terrain affects tanks as it does every other model. They cannot run through area terrain and they cannot shoot through area terrain unless they are in it. So any run order that my Bren carrier here will get will only move it 9 inches into the terrain. Now, once you are in terrain, unless you are actively touching the edge of the terrain, as it does here, needs to move it up like that, you are shooting with a minus to hit. Meaning that this Bren carrier, if it was shooting at something, for instance, in that house over there, from here, stuff in the house would only get cover for being in the house, or if it's in front of the house, right? But if it was inside the area terrain, it would actively give cover to anything standing outside of the area terrain, because it's shooting through the forest. So you need to be aware of what you want your tank or armored car to do when you have area terrain. Because the benefit is, when you're in area terrain like this, you'll always have cover. Because more than half of your tank is inside the terrain. You can even poke out your terrain like that, and it'll still get cover. Even though, like an anti-tank gun over here might see all of the front of it, it will still get cover because more than 50% of the tank is in cover. So I would basically argue that there is no reason to have your tank stuck completely in terrain unless you're afraid that something might charge it. Just drive out, poke out your head, and start shooting, because you'll not give cover to whatever you're shooting at, right? So, that is a short rookie tutorial about how tanks and armored cars work with area terrain. Cheers! Bye.